Welcome to Story Reading Session 9, and today I'm going to read out a story titled Soby Snail, and the source is Magic Pot. Soby Snail was a happy fellow. Do you know why? He had a beautiful house. One day, Bonty Butterfly flew down to Soby and said, "I want to stay in your beautiful house." "No," said Soby, "I will not let anybody stay in my house." The next day, Amy Ant crawled up to Soby and asked, "Will you let me stay in your house?" Soby Snail did not reply. He just glared at Amy and scared her away. Aunt Bumblebee and her friend, too, wanted to stay in Soby's house. He just shooed them away. But he was worried. What if Bonty, Amy, or Aunt Bumblebee takes away my house when I'm not here? So he took some glue and stuck the house on his back. And from that day onwards, every snail's house has become a part of its body. Maybe that's why it crawls so slowly. All right, this is the end of the story, and I'll be back soon with another story. Till then, take care and stay safe.